So me and my one buddy's out. I don't know if you've ever been on the channel or not, but welcome to Excavating 320. We're out checking floodwaters because we've had some record floods going on around here, it seems like. And we just got his exhaust fixed on his truck. So we've had some pretty bad floodwaters. I live pretty well in the river bottoms. I mean, it ain't flooded us out, but I pretty much live close to the river. You can see down in there or not? Yeah, you can see a little bit of the water. A little bit. I'll get up here and I'll show you the rest of it. It looks pretty bad up here. Right here. There's some floodwaters for you. And yes, we're getting our drive through something right here, but it ain't really deep. But don't hit it right at 50. This always floods in here every time the river even barely gets up. But if you can look across there, that's a great big lake. That's a big lake back through there. You got his truck clean. And this is on the other side.
Another perspective of my door's back.
It was up about 5 feet higher than that. It looks pretty bad. I mean, I lost a lot of crops in there. I should have came in here when it was a lot higher than that, but I didn't ever get time. So now we're coming down to the bridge to see some more floodwaters. More water that we've... Let's see here. Yeah, it's pretty daggone high. Yeah, she was about 5 feet higher. Yeah, that side there looks pretty bad. It's a covered bridge. It's about 5 feet high.